Good morning, boys and girls. We're back for another day of online learning. We are on our 24th day of online school. So let's go ahead and get started with our days of the week. And we have today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. And tomorrow will be Wednesday. Let's do our days of the week song. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Good job, boys and girls. And we know that we have 7 days in the week. We're moving up to our month. We are in the month of April, and April is our 4th month. How many months do we have in a year? We have 12. We're going to move on down to our months so we can go through all 12 of our months. And we have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. 12 months of the year. And we are in our 4th month, which is April. Nice job, boys and girls. Moving right on up to our year. And we are in the year of 2020. Next, we will do our date. And we see that yesterday was the 20th. So today should be the 21st. If we're talking calendar talk, it should be 21st. In our pattern, we have umbrella, boot, should be an umbrella. Look at it, and we are right. Good job. So boys and girls, just want to go over our pattern where we have umbrella, boot, umbrella, boot. That's called an A-B pattern, right? Because A, B, A, B. So when you have a pattern where it's just one to the next, one to the next, it changes like that. It's called an A-B pattern. So our umbrella, boot is an A-B pattern. Next month, we'll have a different pattern and we'll learn that pattern name as well. Alrighty, so we've done our month, year, and date and day. Let's go ahead and bring our whole month, our whole date together. So today is Tuesday, April 21st, 2020. Nice job, boys and girls. Let's go ahead and do our calendar count. And we're going to start with 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st. Good job. When we count the calendar, we are counting like we are in a race, 1st, 2nd, 3rd. We are in our season of spring. And for our today's weather, you're going to go ahead and look out your window and you're going to type in when you do your attendance what the weather is today. I'm going to move on down to our digraphs that we have. Digraphs are when 2 letters come together and make one sound. So TH comes together and makes the sound, as in thumb. SH, those sly, clever letters come together and they make the sh sound, as in shoe or shine. WH comes together, W doing all the talking, and we have a W sound, as in whale. And then CH, our icy mountain climbers catch a cold and they say ch, as in chipmunk and cheese. Alrighty. We're moving up to our 100 board. We count to 100 every day so that we can be really familiar with our numbers. We have a good number sense. So if I say, what comes after 67? You know it's 68 without me even pointing to it. If I say to you, what comes before 44? You know it's 43 even without me pointing to it. And if I say, what comes right after 18? You know it's 19 again without me saying so. So that's why we go ahead and we count to 100 every day. We are start off with counting to 100 by ones. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Nice counting, boys and girls. Now we're going to count to 100 by tens. When we count by tens, we have all of the numbers that end in 0. And those are what we call our blue numbers, all of the numbers that end in 0. And it's a lot easier to count to 100 by tens. So let's go ahead and get started. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Nice job, boys and girls. Now we're going to count to 100, counting by fives. When you count by fives, you use all of the numbers that end in 5 or 0. So there are all of our pink numbers and all of our blue numbers. So let's get started. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Good counting, boys and girls. We're going right on up to our word to know row. Kind of a rhyme, right? Word to know row. And we're going to get started with make, play, for, go, be, will, find, this, how, is, now, are, you, what, my, with, come, me, to, a, see, and, the, I, like, we, like, I, the, and, see, a, to, me, come, with, my, what, you, are, now, is, how, this, find, will, be, go, for, play, make. Nice job, boys and girls. We're going to be finishing up our lesson 22 today. We've read Leo the Late Bloomer. It was a fantasy, so we saw that animals were acting like people in that story. There was no magic, but certainly animals don't do the things people do. Also, we read What Can an Animal, Baby Animal Do? It was an informational text, and so we learned some things that baby animals can do. Our essential question for this lesson was, how do the parts of a story work together? So we looked at our story structure. We learned about characters and setting, problems in the story, and how characters were able to solve the problem. So we analyzed and evaluated. Our letters for this lesson were the letters X and J. Mr. X and Jumping Jill helped us remember some words that had the beginning sound or ending sound with these letters. Once again, we'll be blending and segmenting and substituting. We worked with antonyms that we know that antonyms are opposites. And we'll do a little bit more work with pronouns today with they, it, and I. So now it's time to go head over and listen to your Google Slides, take your attendance, put in your date, your weather, and also guess at what hat I'll be wearing for the letter L. And then you're going to check out Miss LaBerth, do a little brain break. And when we come back, we'll be at the reading table. See you soon.